Hello to Torrent panel, my name is Fernando Acosta, and today I present a video about the phenotypes of the phonetics and phonology. The task 7, recording, reading. When you were born, you were not able to carry on, with the dogs around you by using a language, but by the time you were 5 or 6, you were able to produce sentences. Make a dogs can waste funds on someone. In four, you have to become a fluent and native speaker. You wearing those the first you heard of your life. Who you rated a wide read of the knowledge about at least one language, probably with very little conscious effort. If you study a foreign language later on, it's likely that who discovered that it was not nearly as easy. Number 2, minimal parts. Sit, chair. Desk, disk. When, why. But, would. So. Not, not. But, word. Fast, first. Desk, disk. Very, very. Bull, fight. Tin, time. Ali, array. Catch, cut. Share, ship. Fun, bun. Fat, hat. Free. Thin, tank. Wits. Bike, bikes. Batches. Fast. Can't, game. To, do. Back. An, hat. Number 3, intonation. Statements we only stress. I know, we love it, it is stupid. Statements we truth expresses. Anna works time phrase. Lena is my daughter. Statements we truth stresses. Peter doesn't live here. Lena wasn't invited. But are not birds. Statements we for stresses. She wants to buy a new car. He wrote the letters very carefully. The teacher told her students a history. Statements with 5 stresses. Maria wants to buy a new car. My parents play tennis every Saturday. At trying the first question is very easy. Special question the full intonation. What is his name? Where does he live? When do you call him? Fully interest politeness. Rising intonation. Where have you been? What are you reading? When is your birthday? General question, rising intonation. Do you visit them often? Have you seen my Kate? Are you ready to start? Request, rising intonation. Could you give a pen, please? Could you open the windows, please? Will you meet Hermit? Alternative question, rising and falling intonation. Do you want coffee or tea? Does he speak English or German? Will you like coffee or tea? The question, falling and rising intonation. It's a beautiful town, isn't it? She knows him, doesn't she? Nice weather, isn't it? Commands, falling intonation. Stop it. Sit down. What's your books? Tell me Trump. Practice rising intonation. Come in, please. Come here, please. Sit down, please. Exclamatory sentence full intonation. What a wonderful present. How beautiful her voice is. That's I live. Direct address rising intonation. Peter, can you help me? Mr. Smith, this is Mary Brown. Hala, can you help me? Enumeration, rising intonation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She bought bread, cheese, orange, and apples. I saw Tom, Mary, Anna, and Victor. Responses. Certainly, of course, you are welcome. Thank you very much.